driving it?
Yeah. Uncle Sleeve got that for you for your birthday.
Alright, Cheryl, let's see it.
Oh, yeah.
The one thing that he's, that's not a toy.
Screwdriver.
Pick up that
Come
box,
on.
Barb.
This?
Cheryl!
Go see Papu.
Come on!
He's going in the kitchen.
It rolls smoother in there. Yeah, I'm gonna let him go under my leg.
Alright. Tunnel.
Oh!
Yay.
It's trouble turning that. It's long.
It's okay.
Get out of my way!
I'm a man on the move.
So much for the Food Line shopper. He's now the NASCAR driver.
Nice. Where's his hat? His
Oh, it's engineer hat.
engineer hat.
Choo-choo train.
I think we left it at your house.
Yep.
Oh.
Downstairs. I'll have to get it
Woohoo.
from Walmart.
Oh. Say hi, Sleeve. Hi,
Hi,
Sleeve.
Slade.
Hi, Steve. Spear's enjoying your gift.
Yeah. Honey, you want to say hi to your brother?
Hi, Sleeve.
Mm. Yay! Chugga, 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 chugga. Spiro. All right, buddy. You can go this way.
Here, go see Papu. Here, Papu. Papu. Papu.
Ah.
Go around Papu.
Mm-mm.
That's
Okay.
good.
Bye-bye.